Siri, are you ready to make this banana dessert?
Yes, I never had it before or anything like it, so I'm so excited.
So for this recipe, first step is making
Our
pudding.
vanilla pudding, we're using this one.
So first I'm adding 1 cup of milk to this bowl.
And then we're going to be adding our pudding mix. This is just French vanilla or vanilla.
Actually, we found only sugar-free one, but you can use normal one. We will add some sugar later on as per our taste to the pudding.
It smells so good.
Really?
Yeah.
So,
Can't you smell it?
yeah.
It smells like vanilla yumminess.
Okay. Let's mix it.
I'll cut it out.
Okay, so we have to mix this until we get a good pudding consistency.
Okay. Can you use a whisk?
Yeah.
Can you use an electric thing?
No, you can use if you have, but I prefer this one.
Oh, it is getting thicker. I can tell it's getting thicker.
I'm adding now 1 more cup of milk slowly. Siri, you whisk very well, okay?
Okay. Mixing for a while, the consistency will look like this. Pudding-like consistency.
So it looks good now. So stop here. We have to do next step and come back to this recipe. Next step is making another pudding kind of thing. I'm using this cream cheese 8-ounce box. I'm using half of this.
So 4 ounces. Now we're gonna put some cream cheese in the bowl.
Can you on the...
Oh, yeah. Okay, should I start? Low or what?
Low. Adding half of this 13-ounce can of condensed milk to this cream cheese.
Sweetened condensed milk.
Condensed milk. Cheese and condensed milk is ready. So I'm adding this pudding to that mixture.
The vanilla pudding.
And then we'll whisk for a minute. Pudding is ready, and I'm going to add one more ingredient, that is heavy whipped cream. Either you can add and mix it here, means whip here, or you can directly add it to the when we do the layering.
So we're gonna add a little whipped cream in here.
The whipped cream, the consistency is like this.
It's so nice.
Okay, let's layer our dessert. So for this layer dessert, first layer is Nila wafers. Either you can use this or you can use any shortbread cookies. Actually, shortbread cookies taste more better than Nila, but right now I have only these, so I'm using these.
These are vanilla wafers. So slices.
So we are using banana slices as our next layer. So I'm using, I think, 2 bananas.
Yeah, 2 bananas.
We slice
2 ripe bananas.
Yeah.
So ripe taste is sweeter. If you don't want yours as sweet, use unripe bananas.
Siri, you're funny, Siri.
No, I'm not. Oh.
Okay. your choice. If you want to do 2 layers of whole thing, and you can do, I mean to say Neela wafers and banana and our pudding mix. And then if you want to add the banana again, you can add, or if you want to add Neela wafers again, you can add. So now I'm adding this pudding mixture to this.
So satisfying. So you're just gonna spread the pudding mixture out so it's smooth. Well, I'm trying my best.
And now, Siri, you have to add
another layer of
wafers.
Can't add it.
If you want a full layer, you can add. Otherwise, you can add like one here, one there.
Like, what are we doing?
Let's do whatever you want.
We're just gonna make a little fun design, or at least try to. Just adding one more here, and finishing touch. This all done.
Okay, I'll add bananas. But if you want to add like pistachios or any other nut,
or you could add more fruits like strawberries or
something. No,
why not?
This one goes very well with only banana. So if you want, you can add nuts. So our dessert is ready.